Hello everyone, my name is Riulisteni Firanti. I am a sixth semester student. In this reflection, I would like to share my learning journey in English class. This reflection about my learning preference, my challenge in learning English, how I seek help when I face difficult, my progress, and my goal for the future. First, I would like to talk about my learning preference. During the learning process, I realized that I have my own preferred way of learning. I enjoy classroom activities that make me active and involved. My favorite activities in the classroom are games and practical activities. I enjoy games because they are fun and make the learning process more interesting. I like games because they makes the class atmosphere more relaxed, so I do not feel bored while learning English. Through game, I can learn new vocabulary, practice communication, and interact with my classmates in an enjoyable way. Besides games, I also like activities that involve direct practice. I think practice help me understand the material better because I can apply what I learn directly. My learning method that helps me learn actively is writing by myself, especially when I have assignment. I usually prefer studying alone when I need to focus, but I discuss with my classmates when I need ideas or help with assignment. Next, I want to talk about my challenge in my learning English. The aspect of English that is challenging for me is speaking. I struggle with speaking English, especially when I have to pronounce some word correctly. I find it difficult to fluently because something I do not know the right words to use. I often make mistakes in pronoun and vocabulary. Sometimes I know what I want to say, but I cannot express it because I lack vocabulary. I think this difficult happen because uh, English is not my daily language, so I still need more practice to become more confident. To over this challenge, I try to seek help and clarification. When I have difficulties, I usually ask my classmate first. My classmate help by correcting my pronoun and giving suggestion when I make mistakes. If I still do not understand the material, I ask my lecturer for clarification. Sometimes I ask, could you explain this to me when I do not understand a topic? I ask clarification when I feel confused about English material or when I need a better explanation. My lecturer helps me by explaining the material again and giving guidance so I can understand the lesson better. I also try to learn independently by reviewing material and practicing things by myself. Seeking help support my learning because I can correct my mistake and improve my understanding. After going through this my learning process, I have noticed some improvements in myself. I have improved in my confidence, especially when speaking in front of the class. Before I felt nervous when I had to present, but now I can now present more confidently than before. I'm also getting better at understanding English dialogues and expressing my ideas. One thing I am proud of is that I can phrase this more, especially in English activities. I am proud that I can communicate and understand conversation better than before. Okay, for my future goals, I still want to improve my speaking skills. Next semester, I want to be more fluent and understand every English dialogue better. My goal is to improve my pronouns, increase my vocabulary, and become more confident when speaking English. In conclusion, my English learning journey has been a process of improvement. Uh, I have learned that different learning activities can help me understand English better. Games, direct practice, and asking for help have supported my learning process. Although I still have challenges, I believe that with more phrases and effort, I can continue improving my English skills. Thank you.